Hello, hello.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, Shubham, just wait for 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल
Yeah, hi, Rajiv.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम. हेलो.
Hi, Shubham, are you there?
Yeah, hi, sir. Good afternoon. I'm audible.
या शुभम, गुड आफ्टरनून.
Yeah,
हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine, sir.
ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट. कैन यू टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर प्रेजेंट असाइनमेंट प्लीज?
Yes, sir, sure. Sir, my name is Shivam Fanse. I am
हम्म.
from Mumbai. Now I am working in Brain Vision Technology as a cloud
गुड.
support engineer from last 2.5 years.
हम्म.
Now I am working on some e-com website.
सॉरी, विच वेबसाइट?
E-commerce websites. There are ongoing projects uh, which are related. Actually, it's a app, app, web application. So in that,
सॉरी.
the project
हेलो.
is hello, sir.
या शुभम, प्लीज प्रोसीड. यू वांट टू हैव अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर? आई विल हैंग ऑन. हैव अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर एंड कनेक्ट बैक अगेन. नो प्रॉब्लम.
Hello, sir. I am audible now.
यस यस यस, वेरी मच.
Okay,
प्रोसीड.
okay, sir. Sir, now actually I am work on e-commerce web application. So now my work is actually my day-to-day task is like provisioning resources and creating infrastructure, like creating virtual private network, launching servers like EC2 instances, and also uh, working on uh, elastic load.
What is your core expertise?
What, sir?
What is your core expertise?
Sir, my core expertise in AWS.
Mm-hmm.
So my in AWS, my core expertise in creating infrastructure as a service, like creating VPC, EC2 instance, and like creating subnets and launching EC2 instance, and also creating S3 buckets. So and also auto scaling and elastic load balancer. So attach elastic load balancer for high availability and for fault tolerant. So this is my actually core activities.
Uh-huh.
And apart from these,
In AWS, how do you configure a firewall?
in AWS, sir, what, sir?
How do you configure a firewall?
Firewall. Sir, actually in AWS we have service security group and network access control list, NACL. So the security group we actually configure on instance level, and a network NACL is
No,
for
no.
the.
My question is specific and precise. How do you create a firewall?
Sir, we create a sir, we create
Sorry.
firewall actually when we launch instance.
Hmm.
So we attach the security group on that instance. So we
Hmm.
uh,
What does this firewall do, sir?
firewall is controlling the traffic in our EC2 instance. So we can control the accessing traffic through it. So actually we have different type of protocols
Can you create a
like
IPsec
SS.
tunnel on this firewall?
What's that?
Can you create a IPsec tunnel on this firewall?
Sir, actually, sir, your voice is a little low, so I can't understand.
I Okay. I asked, can you create a IPsec tunnel on this firewall?
IP6.
IPsec, SEC, IPsec tunnel on this firewall.
Sir, actually, I never work on IP6.
I'm not saying six. I said SEC, security. No,
IP IP6.
IPsec, IPsec tunnel. I said. You haven't heard about this concept, IPsec tunnel?
Sir, actually, I never work on IP6, so I
Sorry.
don't know, sir.
Okay, fine, fair enough. No problem. Then, if in a AWS instance, if I'm deploying any application, how do I publish it for the external world?
So basically, yeah, sir.
Hello.
Actually, if we have to dip our server, if our server is on public subnet, then we have
Ek minute.
mapping.
Shubham,
Huh.
Shubham, I'm a client and I'm telling you deploy my application on AWS
Okay.
and publish the URL www.abc.com. How do you go about it? Right from scratch till the end, please help me. Was I audible?
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Yeah, please proceed. Hello?
Hello.
Are we there?
Yes, sir. I am there. Actually, yes, sir. Sir, we have internet gateway on public subnet. So we map our internet gateway be in our routing table, and through this
Did you get my question, Shubham?
we can get on internal.
Did you get my question? I'm your customer. I'm telling you this is deployable. Please deploy it on your AWS instance and publish the URL for public consumption. This is my BRD. Now, as a AWS expert, how would you go about? Simple. I repeat my question. Any success? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Are you there?
Yes, sir. I am there.
Uh-huh. Doing Google.
No, sir. I am not doing anything.
Then
I am just thinking about. Uh,
okay, fine, fair enough. We'll park this aside. How do you install SQL or MySQL on AWS instance?
Sir, actually, in AWS there are AWS RDS instance, so we can configure through it and install our require database on it.
How?
Sir, first we go on AWS RDS instance, and then we have configure our then we configure our required database in that.
How?
So like if there are
How do
also
you install SQL or MySQL? My question is very crisp and short.
yes, sir, yes, sir. Sir, in are you asking
Have you done it at any point of time?
sir, are you asking me for in our server or
Have
EC2
you,
instance or
whatever you have written, your technical skills, SQL, MySQL, AWS, and have you at any point of time done an installation of SQL or MySQL on AWS? Answer can be binary, 0 or 1.
yes, sir, I install that, but there are two way. One is AWS managed database, and one is EC2 instance. We just install by a command. We give this command like in sudo apt install mysql or that type of we want required database, so we just install it by a command.
Are you still working?
Yes, sir.
Because have you seen across your CV? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Have you seen your CV?
Yes, sir.
Do you find something unusual out over there in your section work experience? It says 2 hyphen 2020 hyphen 2022. What does that mean? Hello? Thinking? Are you scrolling through your CV now?
No, sir. I am not scrolling my CV.
Uh huh.
Sir, actually, my work is creating just the infrastructure level. Not that much I configure on Linux and
You have written in your technical skills SQL and MySQL. You
yes,
never
sir.
said you are at a rudimentary stage. Have you mentioned it anywhere?
Yes, sir. I mentioned.
Where? See the left side of your CV. Fine. Fair enough. Shivam, it was great speaking to you. We'll connect again. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thanks, Payal.
Thank you, Rajiv.